call this game the Kuya Ian's Limbrock. I know yan, Kuya Ian. Now, my Limbrock only has 4 stages and this is gonna be easy. First stage, yung pinakamataas na kaya ng kamay ko. Second stage, shoulder high. Your shoulders, not mine, ha? Your shoulders. Doon lang kayo liliyad. Third stage, waist high. Your waist, not mine. Huwag na kayong lumigat, pwede na kayong yumuko. Okay lang sa akin, that's fine. Last stage, knee high. Your knees, not mine. You only have 2 options there. Gagapang kayo. Pero pag tumama kayo sa stick, sasayo kayo on stage for 1 whole minute. Matagal ang 1 minuto. You guys know that, right? Now, form your line. Before we start, form your line. Limburak. Limburak. Pagano kayo. Form your line. Yan. Very good. Ate Amri, Yuan, meron pa akong tubig, please. Alright. You ready? Sample muna, ha? Alright. Pinakamataas na kaya ng kaway ko, ha? Ulitin natin mamaya. Alright. DJ! Music, please. Music, DJ. Kaya mo yan, DJ? Yan. Very good. Next! O, di ba? Dali na naman na tayo. Wala naman kayo hirap-hirap, di ba? No, so it's so easy. O, pila na kayo. Pila na. Now, sir, kailangan mo tulong mo. I need your help. Can you come here? Yes, you. Ikaw sasalo sa kanila dun sa kabila at baka tamaan. Yan, very good. Talagang pinagpalit ko pa kayo. Brother, I need your help. Ikaw naman yung sasalo sa kabila, baka sila tamaan. Na, you might be wondering, ang gagawin nyo, pagkatapos nila, kayo magpipila sa kanila, ha? Same goes with you, kuya, ipipila mo sila, ha? Nabigyan ko pa talaga kayo trabaho, no? Yung talent fee nyo, kunin nyo kay daddy. Now, here's what. You might be wondering, teka, sabi ni Kuya Ian, sarili niyang version. It's the same Limbrock. No. The difference between my Limbrock is that you guys are going to be blindfolded. Now, wear your blindfolds. You guys can remove your glasses now. This is gonna be good. Yuan, can I have my drink, please? Apa? Hindi, siya yung tutulong niya. Very good. Now, wear your blindfolds. Inom na ako tubig. I'm not gonna use this to you. Are you? Alright, wear your blindfolds. Blindfolds. Ay, sige. Right. Now, wear your blindfolds. Oh, yes, sir. That's the reason why I need you guys. Sasaluhin nyo sila, baka tumama, ha? Alright. Oh, sir, dito ka sasign na to. Pag pabalik na sila, same goes with you. Pag papunta sa'yo, pabalik na. Alright? Now, oh, pila na kayo. Pila na. Huwag ka na manilip. Kaya pila. May tutulong sa inyo. Nandiyan si Kuya. Alright, now, you're not allowed to remove those blindfolds. Pag tinanggal niyo yan, matik yun, kayo na yung sasayaw, ha? Huwag ka nang madaya. Magulang ka na, madaya ka pa. Yan, alright. So, sir, come here. Paunahin na kita, ha? Dito ka. Alright, sir, saluhin mo. Baka tumama ka dyan. Alright, okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you can laugh, you can taunt, you can teach them what they need to do. But please, do not. Alright, I'm gonna start with you. Oh, talagang pogi-pogi pa yung dating mo, sir. Kumanating onte, kita yun. Alright, para hindi kayo mahiya. Ayan, alright. I'm gonna start with you, ha? Sir, ikaw muna, ha? Ready? First stage to, pinamataas na kaya ng kamay ko. DJ! Music, please! Go, 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 go! Yan, diretso lang, diretso lang! Diretso lang, diretso lang, diretso, 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 diretso. Alright, very good. Oh, isa-isa lang. Alright. Yan, yan, diretso lang, sir. Diretso, alright. Very good, your turn. Alright. Next, yan, very good. Alright, now form your line. Hintay lang natin, ha? Now, next. It's gonna be shoulder high. Your shoulders na, not mine, ha? Bawal pang yumuko. Liliyan kayo. Ganyan kataas, sir, ha? Ganyan kataas. Ganyan kataas, ha? Mauuna ka ngayon, sir, ha? Alright, ready? Oh, yan. Hey, thank you so much. Alright, ready? DJ! Music, please. Ikaw muna, ha? Oh, diretso lang, ha? Alright, go, 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 go. Yan, yan, yan. Baba, baba, baba. Lower, lower, friend. Lower, lower. Yeah, yeah! Alright, alright, next, ha? Ikaw na next, ha? Teka lang, nakatagilid. Wait. Yan. Alright. Diretso, yan, diretso lang, ha? Yan, tama. Yan, pare, baba. Yan, very good. Diretso lang, sir. Diretso. Sige, Kevin. Diretso lang. Alam ko na. Alright, diretso lang. Alright, you're good. Okay na. Teka lang, tanggalin ko na ito. Hindi pa ako nahirapan dito eh. Simulan natin ha. Alright, kids, I'm gonna move this ha. Alright, ready? Ganto ka taas, nakalusot na yung dalawa ha. Ready? Go, 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 go! Bawal yung mo, liliyan ka. Alright. Sana na, sa third stage. Alright, alright. Alright, go, 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 go! Yeah, pare, yeah, sakto! Oh, alright! You're good! Sir, nakalusot na yung tatlo, gano'n mo taas ha. Bawal pang yung ko ha, sa third stage kayo ko ha. Ready? Are you good? Go, 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 go! Ayan, diretso. Yeah, pare. Baba! Ayan, Oh, ito na. Pwede na kayong yumuko, ha? Waist, ha? Your waist, not mine. Your waist, ha? Sir, ikaw naman may una ngayon, ha? Alright, ready? Ganda ka taas, ha? Yup. Alright, DJ! Sir, sabi mo na lang. Oo, pwede. Kahit kumaba ka, I don't mind. Go! Yan. Yeah, very good! Alright, nakalusot na yung lusot na ha. Ganto ka taas ha. Okay, go na. Alright, ready? Diretso lang ha. Go! Yeah. Diretso lang. Yeah, very good. Alright! Pasok. Alright. Okay, ganto ka taas ha. Alright, ready? Go! Yan. Diretso lang. Ayun, sumayaw. Alright, very good. So, ikaw na, last ka na, ganito lang kataas, nakalusot na yung tatlo, ha? Pwede na yung muko, ha? Oh, diretso lang, brother. Alright, go! Ayan na. Oh, yan na. Alright, yeah. Diretso lang. Yo. Alright, you're good. Now, last stage na to, knee high, your knees, not mine. Tuhod na to ha, Dalawa lang options nyo. Now, dalawa na lang options nyo ha. Gagapang kayo o sasayaw kayo sa stage. Alright, sir, mauna ka ha. Ito mataas ha. Ready ka na? Alright, ready? DJ! Tasa na yan. Parang medyo malawag-lawag sir. Alright, ready? Music, DJ! Go! Yeah. Okay, kaya mo yan, sir. Kaya mo yan. Alright, you're good. Pasok na. Alright, you're good. Now, sir, nakalusot na yung isa. Ganito kataas ha. Malinis na yung sahig. Ayan. Lower ha, lower. Hindi mo na kuhanan, gumulog. Alright, sir. Ikaw pangatlo ha. Ganito kataas ha. Ikaw na ha. Okay na. Dalawa na yung nakalusot. Okay tayo. Alright. Music, DJ! Go! Alright, you're good. Alright, very good. Now, stop the music, Amri. Now, sir, what's your name? Alfred. Yung tatlo nakalusot na. So, ibig sabihin, pag na-out ka, mag-isa kang sasayaw sa stage. Dude. Wala ka pressure. Ganyan kataas ha. Tani ha. Tuhod ha. 1 minuto ha. Wala. Malinis na isa. Isa nga gumulong. Alright. DJ! Music please! Ay! Sorry! Na-out si Alfred! Ganun talaga ang buhay! You can now remove your blindfolds. Thank you so much! Pwede mo lang nagalit, Alfred. Thank you. Ganyan talaga. Ano ba yan? Na-out ka na. Halika rito. Dito tayo sa stage, Alfred. Halika. Alam mo na gagawin mo? Ha? Ladies and gentlemen, let's all give a warm round of applause. Our Sa lahat ng kumuha ng video, please, wag na wag ninyong ipapapanood hanggat hindi ako nakakauwi. You guys know why? Alright, now, ito na, kompleto na yung mga bata. We're going to play games for the kids. Pero, here's what I said earlier now. Ganto ka generous sila mommy and daddy. Before you guys came in, we have it. Yes, that's 2,000 pesos per picture, ladies and gentlemen. Ilalim ng chair, ilalim ng chair. Again, that's 2,000 pictures. Wala kayong mahanap, di ba?
Wala pala.
Wala na